breaking news in the stock market. That is right, ladies and gentlemen, this is your first ever weekly installment of the State of the Market. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is your host, Sean, and today we have many juicy stock market topics to talk about. We saw the biggest 3-day rally in the history of the Dow. Absolutely crazy week. I actually banked $300 this week compared to losing $3,600 over these past 3 weeks. And honestly, it's a bit of a relief. You know, I had to reach this conclusion like a week and a half ago that at this point, this is just a new experience in the market for me, and I'm just going to take it as a learning experience. But it's difficult when your portfolio goes from 12,000 to like 8,000. It hurts. But enough about my market demons. What about the hot sectors this week? We saw major action in the weed sectors. Tilray was up over 130%. Canopy Growth over 25, Kronos over 14, ACB was even up. When Aurora is up, you know it was a good fucking week for the weed sectors. To this day, I still have an $8.80 buy in Aurora. What? But on top of the weed stocks, we had a hot chip sector. Tops was up over 250% at one point today. It went from 80 cents or 8 cents to fucking 30 cents. Like, what kind of cracked market is that? Tops has been on a downtrend for like a year. Like, even more than, like, years. So, with that move by Tops, you gotta look at potential sympathy plays going into next week. 2 I could offer you guys coming off the top of my head right now are CTRM and GLBS. They usually move when the shipping industry is hot, and right now, like I said, I think that's what's going on going into next week. Some other companies I think you should also keep an eye on going into next week. So, of course, the theme is coronavirus. With all this shit going on, it's still unbelievable to everyone. It's unbelievable to everyone. So with that in mind, though, you got to look at those plays. So one I think that has very good potential, not only next week, but, you know, short term here in the next few months, is AYTU. So AYTU Bioscience, right? They have the 10-minute coronavirus rapid test kit. I think they have an order for 100,000 of them, and I think the order is actually being shipped to America. So just if I stand corrected there, I'm pretty sure I've done my due diligence. Think about that. That is like the potential for that stock, and it's only sitting, it's below $2. Like, clearly undervalued there. Another one I got for you guys, ticker symbol AIM. So not too long ago, AIM ran from $2 to $8.75 in a single day, and I happened to be on that run. I would not be surprised for it to do that again. So AIM has a drug, amphilogen, and it's actually being tested by Japan's National Institute of Infectious Diseases as we speak right now. Think about that. It's sitting at $2 with a flow of 6.88 million. If this just gets some type of press release, this thing's gonna run again. Like 100% no doubt in my mind. This is a must buy to just sit on it for a few weeks and you almost 100% will double your money, in my opinion. But looking at the market as a whole, I think the reality is that we're going into a global recession. I think this week was a mixture of both a technical bounce, because we have been in just such a steep downtrend here for a month. Like, let's be realistic. Until this week, we did not have back-to-back green days once for over a month and a half, I think. So I think it was more just a, like, we did all this, so we had to kind of do this, you know what I mean? And the stimulus also got passed, so people got excited over that. But the reality is they're going to have to do a lot more stimulus, in my opinion, because that's not going to be enough. It's just, like, crazy for me how, like, the first year I traded, just beautiful bull market, even more than a year. And then just, like, now, just complete and utter doo-doo. Like, the Dow was down 30% in the span of a month and a half. Like, I don't even think the Great Depression was that bad. Like, it's absolutely crazy. But at the end of the day, everyone's gonna live through this, I hope. Like, I can't even say that for this. The fuck? No, but overall, I do think we are gonna be fine. One last thing I wanted to bring up is the best trading opportunity I saw this week, which was MFA. I saw this, what was it, Tuesday night, I think, and it was oversold. It was an oversold chart. MFA was sitting at 30 cents, right? And I was sitting there on my Webull account. I had like $500 in the Webull account, and I saw it, and I was just like, I was scheming, thinking about it, and I chose not to buy MFA at 30 cents. Well, come Thursday, guess what the price was yesterday? It hit 250. Like, my finger was literally on the buy button. It's just like, come on. But overall, that is the state of the market. That's the reality. The coronavirus is weighing everything down, but I think, like I said, we got that technical bounce. Weed stocks, shipping stocks, very hot. Food delivery stocks are also going to keep being hot. Blue Apron was up like 1,000% last week. Like, doesn't even make, this shit's crazy stock market. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to try and upload one of these state of the market videos every single weekend. Don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe if you learned something, if you like my person, anything, you know what, just if you like the video, subscribe. If you made it to this point, you probably like to have a great day.
Let's go. Fuck the ones who talking, bitch, I'm lit. Alright. $1 million worth of cars, no lease, no rent. I'm on the 20, can't nobody tell me shit. I'm signed. Bitch, cross the line, I lose my mind, I bust that line. Look, pistol toe, my sweating in a Rolls Royce, yeah. Just send my million through an invoice.